That is a neat looking old chair right there. So my friend offered me 4 of these chairs, and I brought one of them home to show my wife and just to take a better look at. And these are very old. Square head nails there. And that back there is more than one piece. There's a few things I would need to straighten up and tighten up on this chair to make them a little more sturdy. Definitely very old. This back here, I don't know if you can tell, it looks like that is done by hand there. It's kind of got a gradual bevel there, so it'll fit into the slot where it floats there. See that? Anyway, I like the way it looks. I could probably tighten this up. It would take some time and effort. Pretty wood though. I would hate for these to get scrapped. Anyway, that's my question. Should I undertake this project? What do you think?